Beats by Nevs.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel where I review the latest and greatest gadgets and gizmos. Today, we are going to compare two mid-range smartphones from Huawei and Honor, the Huawei Nova 11i and the Honor 90 Lite. Both of these phones have some impressive features and specs, but which one is better for you? Let's find it out. But before that guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you don't miss all my latest gadget reviews. Let's get it started. First, let's look at the design and display of these phones. The Huawei Nova 11i has 6.8-inch IPS LCD screen with a resolution of 1080 by 2388 pixels and a 90Hz refresh rate. It has a punch hole cutout for the 16-megapixel selfie camera on the top left corner and a fingerprint sensor on the side. The back of the phone has a dual camera setup with a 48-megapixel main camera and a 2-megapixel sensor, along with a LED flash. The phone comes in three colors: studded black, mint green, and titanium silver. Compared to Honor 90 Lite, it has a slightly smaller 6.7-inch IPS LCD screen with the same resolution and refresh rate as the Huawei Nova 11i. It also has a punch hole cutout for the 16-megapixel selfie camera, but on the top center of the screen. The fingerprint sensor is also on the side of the phone. The back of the phone has a triple camera setup with 100-megapixel main camera, a 5-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 2-megapixel macro camera sensor, along with an LED flash. The phone comes in three colors: titanium silver, cyan lake, and midnight black. So both phones have similar design and display quality, but the Honor 90 Lite has an advantage in terms of camera performance. The 100-megapixel main camera can capture more details and colors than the 48-megapixel camera of the Huawei Nova 11i. The ultra-wide and macro cameras also add more versatility to the Honor 90 Lite's photography options. Next, let's look at the performance and the battery life of these phones. The Huawei Nova 11i runs on the Qualcomm Snapdragon 680 chipset with 8GB of RAM and 128 of internal storage. This chipset is based on a 6nm process and has an octa-core CPU with 4 Cortex-A73 cores clocked at 2.4 GHz and 4 Cortex-A53 cores clocked at 1.9 GHz. The GPU is the Adreno 610. The phone runs on EMUI 13 based on Harmony OS. The Honor 90 Lite is equipped with MediaTek Dimensity 6020 chipset with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage. This chipset is based on 7nm process and has an octa-core CPU with 2 Cortex-A76 cores clocked at 2.2 GHz and 6 Cortex-A55 cores clocked at 2 GHz. The GPU is the Mali G57 MC2. The phone runs on Magic OS 7.1, which is based on Android 13. Both phones have decent performance for their price range, but the Huawei Nova 11i has an edge in terms of CPU speed and efficiency. The Snapdragon 680 chipset has a higher clock speed and a smaller process node than the Dimensity 6020 chipset, which means it can handle more tasks faster and consume less power. However, the Honor 90 Lite has more storage space than the Nova 11i, which can be useful for storing more photos, videos, apps, and games. The Huawei Nova 11i has a large battery capacity of 5000 mAh, which can last for a whole day of a moderate use. It is also support fast charging up to 40 watts, which can charge the phone from 0 to 60% in just 30 minutes. However, it does not have wireless charging or reverse charging features. The Honor 90 Lite has a slightly smaller battery capacity of 4500, which can still last for a long time with normal usage. It also supports fast charging up to 35 watts, which can charge the phone from 0 to 55% in just 30 minutes. Like the Huawei Nova 11i, it does not have wireless charging or reverse charging features. Both phones have good battery life and fast charging capabilities, but the Huawei Nova 11i has a slight advantage in terms of battery size and charging speed. Now finally, let's look at some other features and differences between these two phones. One major difference is that the Honor 90 Lite supports 5G connectivity while the Huawei Nova 11i does not. This means that the Honor 90 Lite can enjoy faster data speeds and lower latency when connected to 5G networks, which are becoming more available in many countries. However, this also depends on your carrier and locations, and 5G may not be a necessity for everyone. Both phones have similar features such as dual SIM support, NFC, Bluetooth 5.0 and USB-C ports, both no 3.5 headphone jack and no SD card slots. They also have similar sensors such as accelerometer, gyro, proximity, and compass. However, the Honor 90 Lite has a virtual proximity sensor while the Nova 11i has tri-band GPS. So guys, which phone should you buy? Well, it depends on your preferences and needs. If you want a phone with a better camera and more storage and 5G support, then Honor 90 Lite might be the one for you. However, if you want a phone with a faster processor, a bigger battery, and a bigger display, then the Huawei Nova 11i might be a better choice. Honor 90 Lite is priced at 899 dirhams while the Huawei Nova 11i priced at 949 dirhams here in Dubai, so you won't go wrong with either of them. That's it for today's review, folks. I hope you enjoyed these comparisons of the Huawei Nova 11i and the Honor 90 Lite. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tech reviews like this. Also, let us know in the comments which phone you prefer and why. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Peace out.